Let us see the next program to check whether a given string is palindrome or not. Now let me take one example. Hello. If I reverse it, OLLEH, so it is not a palindrome. We know that we have seen for a number palindrome, that is, if you read a number from left to right and right to left, you should get the same number. Such kind of number we call it as a palindrome number. In case of string, if you read a string from left to right and right to left, you should get the same string. Here in this case, OLLEH is not equivalent to hello. That is the reason we should print a message as not palindrome. If you take the next example, mom. So if you read the string from left to right and right to left, again it gives the same string. Such kind of strings we are going to call it as palindrome strings. Similarly, we have so many examples of palindrome like Malayalam, madam, dad. These are the few examples of palindrome. Next, let us see the code. So in the earlier program, we have seen how to reverse the given string. So this is how we need to use a simple logic after reversing the code. So this is the logic. So this is the logic for checking a given string is palindrome or not. So very simple. I hope till this we have seen in the last example. Now let us see this logic. If strcmp, we know what is this strcmp function. strcmp is nothing but it is string comparison. According to the logic of string comparison, if string 1 and string 2 both are equal, then it will give the value as 0. So if these two strings are same, then it will give 0, else it will give not a palindrome, right? Now let us execute this code and check. Let me give the string as hello. So it is not a palindrome. Next, let me execute with the another test case with a palindrome, mom. So palindrome. If you read this string from left to right and right to left, it is called as a palindrome. So this is how we can check whether a given string is palindrome or not. The next program to count the number of vowels, consonants, digits, spaces in a given string. So here I am going to initialize the identifiers, string, next I for iteration, vowels initializing with 0, consonants initializing with 0, digits 0, spaces 0. These are first initializations which I am doing as part of my program. So here we need to read a string, enter a string, get, here I am reading a string. So I am using this for loop from here till here to process my logic. Now within the given string, I am reading from 0, that is the 0th index of the string, and I am verifying whether it is not equal to null, which means with this particular condition I am tracing the entire string from the 0th location to the last, that is till it is encountering with null. So if it is null, then it stops the execution. If it is not null, then the condition will be true for all the case, and then you are going to process this entire loop statements. So the first one, the first if condition I have written for checking whether a given individual character of a string is a vowel or not. So we know the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So here I have written the logical OR condition and checking with each and every individual character of a given string. So A, E, I, O, U in the lower case, A, U, I, O, U in the uppercase. So these are the vowel which I need to check as part of my condition. So here if the condition is true, then I am incrementing the vowel value. If the condition is failed, then I am going for the else if and checking whether the given individual character is a number, that is lies from 0 to 9. This is logical AND. When both the conditions are true, only then the digits are incremented. Here logical OR, any one of them is true, then vowels is incremented. Next, if the digits is this condition is failed, then it goes for the else part, else if part. Here we are going to check whether it is equal to the space. Double equal to sign is nothing but we are comparing LHS equal to RHS. Whether it is a space is equal to space, only then these spaces are incremented. Else the last one is consonants. any of these things are not matched, then I am incrementing the consonants value. So then I am printing ovals, consonants, digits and white space. Let me execute this code and check whether I am getting the correct result or not. So I am giving the string as hello, how are you, followed by if I am giving some numbers 1, 2, 3. Now let us check. Hello, how are you? So within this, totally there are 7 ovals, that is E, O, O, A, E, O, U. So totally there are 7 vowels. Next, consonants, rest of all the things which are not vowels or consonants. So see here, the consonants are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 consonants, 7 vowels. Next, digits are 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, 3 digits, and spaces are 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, third space is here, 3 and 4. So totally there are 4 spaces in a given string. So this is how we can count the number of vowels, consonants, digits, spaces in a given string. The next program is to find the position or index of substring in a given string using str function. So here I am initializing strings as str and substring as a sub underscore str, and found I am giving with a pointer found. This is a pointer type of a string initialization. Puts enter the first string, gets string. Here I am reading the main string. Okay, here I am reading the main string, or here I am reading the string. Entering the substring to be searched. So here I am entering the substring to be searched in the given main string. Now searching of string str in the substring. Searching of string in the substring. So found equal to str is the function which is used to find the substring given in the main string. So str is the main string and sub str is the substring. If it is found, then you are going to get the position of that particular found string, that is found minus str. So it is calculating according to the length of the given string. Else we are going to print the substring is not found in the main string. Now let us execute this code and check whether the given string is present with the substring or not. Enter the string. Now I am entering the string as learning. Now within this I am going to check for the substring year. Now the substring is found in the first string at, so where it is found in the given first string, it is found at one position. One position is nothing but it is your array index starts from zeros. So 0, 1, E is at 1. Array index starts from 0. That is the reason why it is giving from 1. EAR. So your given substring is found at the index position 1. Now let me execute with another test case. Now if I am giving the string as hello and I am going to give it as go. The substring which I want to search is go. The substring is not found in the given string. So this is in the first string hello, there is no substring called go. So we are going to get this message as substring is not found in the given string. So this is how we can use str function to find the index of a substring in a given main string.